Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 12th of January 2022 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 12th of January. Our first question is, who is the author of the book titled Ratan Yan Tata, The Authorized Biography? Answer is option number 4, Dr. Thomas Matthew. The book titled Ratan Yan Tata, The Authorized Biography is the authorized biography of the Tata Sons chairman Ratan Tata, and recently it has been announced that it will be published out globally by the early November 2022, and it has been authored by a former senior bureaucrat and retired IAS officer Dr. Thomas Matthew. So answer will be option number 4. Next, who among the following will replace Vivo as IPL's title sponsor from 2023? Answer is option number 3, Tata Group. The Tata Group will replace Vivo as IPL's title sponsor from 2023. This has been recently informed by the Indian Premier League, that is IPL's chairman Brijesh Patel. Earlier, Vivo had a deal of rupees 20,000 crore for title sponsorship rights from 2018 to 2022, but after the 2020 Galwan Valley military face-off, it was replaced by Dream 11. Now Tata Group will be the title sponsor of IPL from 2023. So answer will be option number 3. Next, the Ministry of Railways has recently approved the renaming of Keodia railway station as dash. Answer is option number 2, Ekta Nagar railway station. Recently, the Ministry of Railways has approved the renaming of the Keodia railway station situated near the Statue of Unity as Ekta Nagar railway station. It falls under the Vadodara division in Gujarat. The state code of this Ekta Nagar railway station will be EKNR, and the numerical code of the station will be 08224620. So answer will be option number 2, Ekta Nagar railway station. Next, the State Bank of India in its report titled EcoRap has projected India GDP growth rate in the current fiscal year as dash. Answer is option number 3, 9.5%. Recently, State Bank of India or SBI has released its report titled EcoRap, and in this report it has been projected that India GDP growth rate in the current financial year, that is in 2021-22, will be 9.5%. So answer will be option number 3. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Hindi Day annually? Answer is option number 2, 10th January. World Hindi Day is celebrated every year on 10th of January. It is celebrated to promote the use of Hindi languages globally, and also this day marks the first World Hindi Conference that was held in 1975 on January 10 in Nagpur in Maharashtra, and in 2006 the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has declared 10 January as the World Hindi Day. So answer will be option number 2, 10th of January. Next, who among the following has recently become the 73rd Grandmaster of India? Grandmaster is the highest title in chess given by World Chess Federation, that is FIDE, and recently option number 2, Bharat Subramaniam has become the 73rd Grandmaster of India. So answer will be option number 2, Bharat Subramaniam. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as a vice president of AIIB? Answer is option number 4, Urjit Patel. What is AIIB? AIIB long form is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. It is a multilateral development bank that aims to improve economic and social outcomes in Asia. It was founded on 16th of January 2016. Headquarters is located in Beijing, which is in China, and India is the founding member of this AIIB, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, with the second highest voting share after China. And recently, former RBI Governor Urjit Patel has been appointed as a vice president of this AIIB. Urjit Patel will be one of the 5 vice president of this Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank with a 3-year of tenure, replacing DJ Pandian. So answer will be option number 4, Urjit Patel. Next, Kuwait's Haytham Kuwait's Haitham Al Ghais has been recently appointed as the Secretary General of OPEC. Headquarters of OPEC is located in which of the following city? Answer is option number 3, Vienna. Vienna is a city from Austria, and headquarters of this OPEC is located in Vienna. What is OPEC? Long form of OPEC is Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is OPEC, is an intergovernmental organization of 13 countries. It was founded on 14th of September 1960 in Baghdad by the first 5 members, that is by Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela, and since 1965 its headquarters is located in Vienna, which is in Austria. And as of September 2018, the 13 members of the countries accounted for an estimated 44% of the global oil production and 81.5% of the world's oil reserve. And recently, Kuwait's Haitham Al Ghais has been appointed as the new Secretary General of this OPEC, and the headquarters of this OPEC is located in Vienna. So answer will be option number 3, Vienna. Next, India's first mobile honey processing van has been launched in Uttar Pradesh by which of the following organization? Answer is option number 2, KVIC. Long form of KVIC is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. It is, or this Khadi and Village Industries Commission is an statutory body formed in April 2017. Formed in April 2017 by Government of India. It is an apex organization under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, which works towards promoting, facilitating and organizing and assisting the establishment and development of khadi and village industries in the rural areas in India. And recently, this KVIC or Khadi and Village Industries Commission has launched India's first mobile honey processing van in village Sirosa in Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh in January 2022. This mobile honey processing unit can process up to 300 kg of honey in just 8 hours. So answer will be option number 2, KVIC. Next, NSO, that is National Statistical Office, has recently projected India GDP growth rate in the current financial year as dash. Answer is option number 4, 9.2%. NSO, that is National Statistical Office, has projected India GDP growth rate in the current financial or fiscal year as 9.2%. Now answer of the question which was asked to you in the last video. Question was, what is India's rank in recently released Global Food Security Index 2021? Answer is option number 1, 71st. India ranks at 71st in the Global Food Security Index 2021. Now today's question is, which of the following organization has recently released a report titled State of the Climate in Asia? Options are WMO, UNEP, WHO and UNICEF. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.